Let's freeze! Stay frozen. Let's freeze! Stay frozen.
Hello and welcome to Kitty Code Ninja Tutorials. This is Ellie and this is your place to learn to code and have fun. Are you ready? Hop on! Guess what? You can create your own dance party with Scratch. Do you like to join? Let's dive in. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a dance freeze game from the photos of yourself while dancing. I'm going to tell you everything step by step. Step 1. Find your favorite music and play. Step 2. Find a plain wall or install a green background and start dancing in front of it. Step 3. Ask somebody to capture a few shots of you while you are dancing. Step 4. Remove the background from the images that you have using Photoshop or any photo editing tool. Step 5. Now it's time to write the code. Let's see how we're gonna delete the background from image. In order to do that, you have various solutions. If you have Photoshop, you can use that, of course. But if you don't have it, it's not a problem. Just go to the Google and search for free image background remover. This one, www.remove.bg, works at the time that I'm recording the video, but generally that's the process. When you want to solve an issue, you just Google and then find a link and try and see which one works. It's just all about experimenting. So I click here, and then here I see it says upload image. I'm gonna upload an image of myself like this one. And then I click remove background. Even without me clicking it, it did remove it. But if it didn't happen for you, just click remove background and then you can download your photo. So you just choose a good name for it, whatever you like. You see this PNG. PNG images are the type of images that the image and the background are separated. So like you have an empty background, so it's easier for using it at sprites. So I save it here. Cool. Here we go. I have an image sprite of myself with the background removed from it. I can use it in my Scratch as a sprite. Now we are in the Scratch environment. We're going to delete this cat because you're not going to use it. Instead, we're going to use our own sprite. I delete this by clicking on this recycle bin icon, and then I click here. Then I say upload a sprite because I want to upload something from my own computer. So I say upload. Then I pick one of these images, one of these sprites. And here we go. It's here. I can give it a reasonable name like dancer. So this is my sprite. In order to make it dance, I need to have several costumes in which each costume is going to be one of the dance poses that I captured while I was dancing. So I click here to choose a costume. Then I try to upload multiple costumes here. This one, this one, this one. More dance means more dance poses. Okay, now I have this sprite with all the costumes in it. Oops, what did I do? Okay, in case you didn't want to remove the background using any software, you can upload your sprite here and then using this eraser delete the area around your image, but it's a little inconvenient. So let's go to writing the code now. All right, now we're getting to the fun part. We are going to actually write the code, a code that makes this character, which is one of ourselves, dance. Simulating the dance is actually super easy. All it needs is switching from one costume to another in a forever loop. So let's go to the code, which I'm here, and then from the control I want to do something forever, which is switching from one costume to another costume, and then I go to the looks and I say next costume. So forever go to the next costume, and then I need some condition to trigger it. So I want to say when start plate do this. So again, from the event, when flag clicked, forever go to the next costume. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, it's a super fast dance, but it's dancing. So it's a good start. In order to make the dance smoother, we can put a weight here so that it's not dancing super fast. We don't want to become dizzy. Let's find the weight. It should be in the control. Wait, 1 second might be really long wait between dance poses. I put like 0.3. Let's see how it looks now. It's nice. I like it. All right, now stop it. All right, now let's add a music for on our dance stage. Let's go to the sounds, and then from here you can either upload something from your own computer, or you can just search something from whatever is already in the Scratch library. I choose this option. I search for dance to narrow down to some options which are more dance related. I play and just test and see which one I like more, which I like this one. So I choose it. I currently have something here. I can add as many sounds as I want here, but then in the code we choose which one we want it to be played. All right, let's go to the code. If I play start here, I don't hear the music yet. What I need to do is from the code tell the computer to play the sound. So it should be probably under the sound category. I go to the sound, and then here we have start sound, play sound. Start sound might work. So let's drag it here. I can put it on the top. I can also put it inside. If I put it on the top, it won't sync forever. It would go on until it's finished. For a reason that I will tell you later, I put it on the top. So let's see how it looks. Okay, looks fun. I like it. Cool. Okay, now we need to freeze the character. But how? Let's do it this way. We want to trigger freezing by pressing the space bar. So whenever I press the space bar, I want the action of freezing happen. I also want all the music to be stopped, and then instead I want someone or a music or something announces freeze, and I want the sprite to stop moving or changing costume. So let's see. So I said I want an if condition. I want to say if spacebar pressed. So I drag the if condition. After all these things, I go to the sensing to fill this condition. I see here I have the option of key space pressed. So if key space pressed, I want to stop all the sounds. Stop all sounds. And at the same time, I want the character not to move for, let's say, 3 seconds. So I say wait 3 seconds. So stop all sounds, wait 3 seconds. Let's see how it looks like so far. I press space. So it's waiting, all the sounds are stopped, and it's waiting for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, it's moving again. But you see, it's moving, but the sound didn't go back again. Because I never said now you can start playing the sound again. So I need to do that. But also, I don't want only the music to stop and the character to stop. I also want to announce freeze. I want to announce freeze in 2 ways. One, from the looks, I want to say freeze. So I say freeze. So this freeze shows up. It would be really cool if we can record our voice and say freeze also. So I go to the sounds library, and then I press the microphone and record my own voice. So I say, press record. Now freeze. When I was happy with my recording, I can save it. Otherwise, I can re-record until I get my desired recording. So I save it and I give it a name. I name it freeze. And then from my code, I go to the sounds. And then start sound freeze. So say freeze and start sound freeze and wait 3 seconds so that the character is not moving. One more thing is we want the music to go back playing after this 3 seconds is over. So again I say start sound. This one, dance around this time. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Now I play stop, spacebar. Now freeze. Maybe 3 seconds is a little too short. I say 6 seconds. Again, spacebar. Now freeze. One more thing we can do is let's add a backdrop to make it more fun. So I go here to choose a backdrop. Something, maybe a concert background. Now it's more fun. Cool. Alright, now let's fix a little bug that we have. When I click spacebar, this freeze does not go even after the time of the freeze is over. So now the character is dancing, but the freeze is still there. In order to fix it, what I can do is here, instead of say freeze, I go and say freeze for 2 seconds. So I'm gonna delete this and then I drag this one instead, so that after 2 seconds that freeze is going and it's not showing up when the character, the sprite, is not frozen anymore. So 2 seconds is gone, and now when it's moving, it's not here anymore. So that's what we want. Yeah, we're pretty much done with this dance freeze game. We can do more things here. We can add more characters, more sprites, so that it looks like a real party. This is the final code so far. I'm gonna put the link on the description, the link to the project on the Sprite website, so that you can go there and check it out. Well done everyone, in this lesson you learned to create your very own dance freeze game. Do you like to create your own dance freeze party with all your friends in it? Ask them to create their sprite and send to you, and come back next week and we will see how we can create a really big dance party with everyone in it. Everyone is invited. We will see how we can take turn while dancing and how we can move around the stage. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you won't miss the next tutorial. See you next week. Bye.